Hi, welcome to Craft by Swati. Today we are going to make something very special for your dad, or you can gift it to someone very special. Badge for them. We are taking two stripes of this crepe paper. Remember, we are using crepe paper. Now start folding this crepe paper upwards and downwards like this. Now we'll take another sheet and we'll fold it like same process, and we will paste these both sheets together, putting glue on the one end of the sheet. Now we will paste these two ends together and make a round or circle from these crepe papers. Now after making this circle, we will open this like this. We will paste like this. Now keep it in your hand and open like this. Now we will keep it in our hand and we will take one circle. You can write your message here. Spread some glue on this circle. And paste this circle in the center of the batch. So our batch is almost ready. So now after this we need to take two stripes of this sheet of any color. हम दो stripes लेंगे, or if you want you can use same color sheet, same these crepe paper sheet, and cut the sheet in two parts. Let me cut the sheet in the two parts like this. Should be a bit thin. We need these two strips. Take them along. Cut a small triangle from here. So this is ready. Now we will paste this here on the back side, and our batch will be ready after pasting this. So now our batch is ready. Don't you think it's so cute? Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.